I'm going to show you how to work on wild horses. First thing I notice, the wild horses has a small M on it. Now, I'm wondering about that until I go in and look at hot cross buns, and it has a big M. So this means that this and this, they're not in the same sound family. The sound family we're going to be working with is going to be in minor. So the small m means we're in minor. So I'm going to do wild horses in D minor. That means that the sounds I'm going to use will be la, ti, do, re, mi. This is where my thumb will be, and this is where my pinky will be. La, ti, do, re, mi from my right hand. Look how do is in the middle. Then here's our starting sound, which I'm making to be D. Here we go. So first thing I'm going to do is my warm-up in D-La, D-La. I go to my piano, I find D-La. Ooh, I'm pretty close. There's D-La. All right, my right hand. I place my fingers over the sounds that make D-La. La, ti, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, la. La, ti, do. La, ti, do. That matches. Re, mi, re, do, ti, la. Those are the notes I'm going to use for wild horses. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my recording, my practice CD, and I'm going to listen and I'm going to practice the patterns for wild horses.
Wild horses in D minor position.
La, do, re, mi. La, do, re, mi. La, do, re, mi. La, do, re, mi. Mi, re, do, ti, la. 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 La, do, ti, la. La, do, ti, la. La, do, ti, la. La, do, ti, la. Mi, re, 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 do, ti, la. Dance of the wild and running horses. This is the dance of the wild and running horses. Stamp on the ground now, tramp on the ground now. This is the dance of the wild and running horses. Now I'm going to take those patterns and I'm going to put them into the piece. Now, first pattern was la, do, re, mi. La, ti. Oh, you skip over the T. Okay. La, do, re, mi. This is the dance let's see. This is the dance of the wild. This is the dance of the wild. How many me's? This is the dance of the wild. And then I've got to go down back to the la. This is the dance of the wild and running horses. How many la's did I use for horses? Did you count? 2? Yeah. This is the dance of the wild and running horses. How many times do we sing it in the piece? Yeah, 3 times. 2 times in a row, and then a third one to end. Oh, here we go. This is the dance of the wild and running horses. This is the dance of the wild and running horses. And then we do the stamping part. La, la, do, ti, la. There's that T we missed earlier. And I even made it a little stronger because that stamp on the ground now. Stamp on the ground now. And how many times do we do that? 2, yeah. Stamp on the ground now. Tramp on the ground now. And then what happens? This is the